super cheap there. Just go to Publix, get you some shrimp, and you're fishing. And these peeled shrimp, man, like a lot of people like to doctor up their baits nowadays and use all the beads and the fish bites, and I'm sure that works. But I grew up surf fishing back in the day, and we just used whatever we could get our hands on, and peeled shrimp was the easiest thing to come by, and we used to hammer the fish on them. So all right, this would be our first cast here. Brand new surf rod. I actually bought this surf rod one day before the beaches closed. Can you believe it? Bombs away. I like it. One day before the beaches closed, me and Beach Bum went out, and I just kind of got hooked on surf fishing again. And it's like, man, I gotta get a surf fishing rod. And I bought one, and then we had that mandatory stay-at-home crap. So I've never got to test it out until right now. That first rod just got hammered. I'm gonna see if he'll come back and eat it. It just got hit. I got my little rod right here, guys. I'm gonna